going on? What's going on, Leatherface?
I lost my apron.
You lost your apron?
Lost my apron.
Oh.
I was cutting these people up with a chainsaw.
Okay.
Last night.
Okay.
And I was running and it got tangled in a branch. And I lost my apron.
Oh no.
And
So now you're just sitting here with just your underwear on? What, you got your snacky?
it's Sebastian.
Sebastian?
Yeah.
You can comfort. Yeah. He can comfort you. It's gonna be okay. You know, it's really cold and windy outside. I don't think we should go look for it right now.
Okay.
But I've got something else I can offer you. I've got plenty of clothes in my closet that might fit you.
Human flesh?
Well, maybe not exactly.
But that's
Maybe not exactly.
That's what I need. Human flesh.
Well,
it's what I wear.
I'm sure we can find something.
I'm so cold.
Well, let's go to my closet and we'll find something.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right.